Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today will be a boring vlog. I will show you where I will wash my laundry and how we do it in Sapa, Vietnam. So yeah, we are in Sapa and I stay in this hotel for 15 US dollars. Yeah, it's on the main strip. And we have a restaurant, yeah. So let's go now to see where we can find a laundry service. Yeah, I really need to do my laundry. Well overdue done. Yeah, I've been in Vietnam for 1 week and have not been doing laundry. I have actually done some laundry just over the sink, but now we will do it for real. Yeah. But this room is quite good, good value. So, yeah, let's see here. Save some energy. Yeah. But I wanted the view from that side. But it's okay for the prices. It's fine. Yeah. Otherwise the view here is very nice. But I think this room is bigger. Yeah. Not going inside. Yeah, but first the laundry service. I think this one was also Well, I will only stay here for 1 night, so but yeah. Yeah, so we are in Sapa now. Second time in Sapa actually. Yeah. So the laundry service is supposed to be very close by here. And I have no idea how much it costs, but hopefully not much. And hopefully it can be ready today or tomorrow morning. So yeah. But what should you do in Sapa? Yeah, you either will go up to Phasipan, the highest point in Vietnam, or you should go and stay with like a local family, like you do a homestay. But I did a homestay last time. I did Phasipan also. But I'm not here actually for Sapa. I'm here for doing something else that you will see in upcoming videos. Is this the laundry service? Maybe it is. Huh. Actually, I think so. Huh. Oh, there. It's 30,000 per kilo. Yeah. Hello. Do you have a laundry service?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Will it be ready today or?
Ready today.
Yeah. What time do you think?
About 4 p.m.
Sorry?
4 p.m.
Ah, 4 p.m. Perfect. Yeah. Oh, thank you. See you later. Bye. As you can see here, Sapa is super busy. Yeah, I just arrived 3 in the morning today. If you saw my earlier videos. Yeah, and I was in Katka village. And here you can buy, like takeaway. Yeah, so yeah, but Sapa is quite nice. It's very greenery, so yeah, it's also very. It doesn't look it here, but if you go outside Sapa, it's very quiet as well. So it's very good to have like a little bit of fresh air. So yeah, Sapa is a good place for me before I will go on my next adventure. But yeah, I'm still figuring out how long I will stay in Sapa for. Maybe 3 days, 4 days, depending. Maybe I will do a homestay as well, just for relaxing. And also Sapa is for hiking as well, but yeah. And massage, you can do a lot of massages. Ah. Ah. And yeah, my hotel is very nice. I will see it. Yeah, here is the view. Oh yeah, you can sit outside here. Have a very good view of the valley of Sapa. Yeah, so down here, like where I'm pointing, there is all the like the village where you can stay with the local families. Yeah, I did that last time. It was really cool, really nice. Yeah. But yeah, this is Sapa. So now I'm just waiting for my laundry. I think I will actually edit some videos. Yeah, I need to add some videos from my last couple of days. Yeah, so yeah, let's see each other in a couple of hours when we are doing the laundry pickup. Yeah, so I went out again. Yeah, I went out for lunch. Yeah, I will eat some lunch, and I know that there are like a good restaurant with a view, like a quite easy restaurant with a view. So let's go see what we can find. Yeah, but here in Sapa you can eat like every kind of food. You can eat pizza, you can eat Indian, you can eat local. Hope they are open. I think this is this one maybe. Hope there's this one. It starts raining now also, so but, yeah. If they have a view, yeah. No, they don't have a view.
Good morning, man.
Hey, good morning.
You're coming raining.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. Hello. Oops. Sorry. Yeah, inside there. Maybe it's not the best view, but it started raining and this was the best choice. There will be a fried chicken and a mango juice. Yeah. Which is mine? Oh, this one. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day. Bye. Here, so here we have it. New laundry. Great service. But the traffic here. So let's go back to my my hotel, and I will show you where what I have been doing for the last couple of hours actually. Yeah. Yeah, it's like this is like a normal day of a traveler that try to make some YouTube vlogs sometimes. Yeah. So yeah, try not to get overrun. Yeah, so I've been like walking this road for like 10 meters that direction, 10 meters that direction for like 5 hours, and I checked into this hotel, or like it's a hotel. Yeah, but you have seen the hotel already, but I will show you what I have been doing. So I think this is the most luxury hotel on this trip so far, or? Yeah, I feel like Haipong was quite luxury as well, but this is like a proper hotel. Yeah, so welcome home. Yeah. So this is what I have been doing. I have been lying on my bed and making some YouTube content. So now I'm ready for doing Sapa again and live life. So what we will do tomorrow, we will go to, I booked actually one Airbnb for $10 in the next video we'll see, or the next upcoming video. I will do an evening video from Sapa as well when I go out for dinner. If you want to see that one, it will be the next one I upload. Then we will do a village here in Sapa. Not Kat, not that one, another one. So I booked a hostel, not a hostel, a homestay, or yeah, like a homestay with a family. For $10 from Airbnb, so that will be interesting. Yeah, so join me for that adventure in upcoming videos, and I will soon tell you where we will go after Sapa, but not in this video. Will be in upcoming videos. You maybe know it already. I have been talking about it a little bit on the channel. Yeah, so I will continue adding some videos. And yeah, see you in the next one when we go out for dinner or when we go to the village. Yeah, so thank you for staying to watch this video so long. I'm a little bit tired as well. I also have a little bit of a cold, so yeah, I'm off track, but still like to make videos. So here we go. Let's edit more videos. Ta da 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 da.